Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Silver Fern Stress Complex, a supplement that claims to provide natural stress relief using adaptogens, vitamins, and probiotics. We checked out their official site, and what stood out was how they emphasize gut brain connection and all the natural ingredients. After using it for several weeks, here's our full breakdown. The pros are clear. First, it contains ashwagandha and rhodiola, two well-researched adaptogens that have shown potential to reduce cortisol and improve resilience against stress. Second, it has probiotics, which is unique because gut health plays a major role in mood regulation. Third, we noticed better sleep quality after consistent use, and mornings felt less foggy. The capsules are easy to take, and there's no artificial aftertaste. But let's talk about the cons. It takes time to notice effects. This isn't an overnight fix. Some people may find the price a bit higher than generic stress support supplements, and while the probiotics are a nice addition, the strain variety is somewhat limited compared to a dedicated probiotic supplement. Overall, if you're looking for a natural way to support stress management, Silver Fern Stress Complex feels more effective than just a placebo, especially when taken consistently. But it's not a miracle pill. You still need good sleep, nutrition, and a healthy lifestyle. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam free.